welcome back to my channel, Bigger Evans Model Railway. I've been absent for quite a little while, and so I'm going to show you what I've been up to. I built a couple of kits. This first one is for carrying pipes. You can see there's some little stuff in there, brackets that pipes sit on. It's a scale model scenery kit, of course. Laser cut, very easy to build, not much money. I've added these parts myself, these gussets in the corners, and I've painted it with a gunmetal grey from MIG. Sorry, lost my train of thought there. That needs a bit of work doing, rusting up, and that's ready to take pipes across the tracks or across a road or something like that if you've got it. The other thing I've built is that little stack of pallets, just a stack of wooden pallets. A scale model scenery kit, very easy to do. It's a small wooden box. These are laser cut facades that you stick on the top, sides and ends to make it look like a stack of pallets, and very easy to do. And that could either be a wagon load, put some straps over it. It could be a stack of yards in an industrial area, it could be anything like that. So it's easy to do, and it's a bit of fun. Now I've been doing, and I will put a link to both these products, this one and this one, underneath the video. It's an affiliate link to Scale Model Scenery. If you do want any of these kits and you buy them using that link, I get a tiny bit of commission. And that commission, once there's enough of it, we're going to use it to buy a kit or a prize to give away on the channel to someone. And my next thing, I've been doing some 3D printing. As you know, I got me that printer. I've done those bridge parts like we had. This is a little car I did. I found the program for that, and it's a nice little printout, very easy to do, and it's just wanted weathering and filling up with stuff. It's full of junk, and I've just put some extra junk in there just to make it look like it's sat on the scrapyard for a long time waiting to be squashed or whatever. Of course, these are all the bridge parts ready to go onto the bridge, which will feature in a video we'll get in the train shed. Fasten those all onto the video, onto the bridge. Little Cummins diesel generator, diesel electric generator there, and that was another easy print, and just paint it and then weather it, put a few enhancements on the pipes and stuff like that. Very simple to do. These are all easy prints, you know, easy prints to do. And got some roof ventilators and some aircon units as well. That's a little roof ventilator. That'll go for aircon on top of a large commercial building or something like that, a shop or a small factory works. And then I got some mini split air conditioning units as well. And these were all very easy prints to do, and just painted them all up, and added the details, painted, weathered them and whatever. You can't see it too good there, don't want more of the cameras in. We'll have a look at that. It's a bigger one for an industrial unit, and those are just mini versions for domestic properties, the smaller ones in front. And that's really all I've been doing. I've just been tinkering about, keeping myself busy on the bench whenever I've had the chance, which I haven't had a lot of chance this last 3 weeks. We've been very busy with family things, and so it's been difficult to get a video together. Now I've got a mate who's starting a HO layout for the first time, and he's building a scrapyard, which is a tremendous idea. He's putting a scrapyard on his layout, which is the best idea anyone could have to put a scrapyard on. So much interesting detail you can put in there. And so I'm going to print some things for him, scrap things, and send them off to him. A pile of scrap cars there. Doesn't look much at the moment because it's just got the first coat of rust, and just a lot of cars that have been squished and stacked together. But when I work my magic on it, it's going to look good, and we'll send that off to him. Hopefully he'll do it on a show and tell video, because he has a channel, on an unboxing video perhaps. And I'm going to send him some stuff that I've weathered and done, and some things that he can have a go at weathering himself and rusting up, you know, for his scrapyard. It's such good fun, really, really is. And so I think I'll leave it there, folks. We've had some terrible weather. It's just thawing out now, thankfully, but there's storm force winds on the way for tomorrow. And thank you all for sticking with me, watching the video, and your support. Just by watching the video, you are supporting my channel, and I appreciate that very much. And I'll see you much sooner than this gap of 3 weeks between videos. I'll see another video very, very shortly, showing you what else I've been up to, and we can hopefully get back into the train shed very, very soon. Thank you all for looking in. Thank you for watching. Do take care, my friends, and I shall see you all next time. Bye bye for now.